I know this isn't woodworking, but I wanted to show you what I come out here every spring and summer to do, probably every about 2 weeks or so. So I go spider hunting. I bring out the bug spray, and I'm not looking for any spider. I'm looking for black widows. Oh, there's one. There she is. Once the sun comes down, they're really easy to find out here. And I have actually killed up to 30 black widows in one night before. My kids are out here playing a lot. That's just a daddy long leg. I don't know. They're really easy to see. Their webs are really shiny and hang down. What really worries me is the brown widows that have come out, because those will actually hang from the bottoms of the trees down to the ground. I see a web there, but nothing in it. Oh, there's one. That's a brown widow. Oh, there's another brown widow. Now, brown widows look just like black widows, except they're brown. There we go. They're brown and white striped. Here's a really big one right here. And their egg sacs are spiked instead of really smooth. Trying to get a good, there we go. There, they have spiky egg sacs. They've got the same hour-shaped glass on their belly, but they're brown and white striped. Oh, and here's another one. Let's see this one even better. Its back end is more a whitish brown color. That's a brown widow. Here's another spider. But that one's an orb weaver. I'll have to move it off the chair because the chair doesn't belong out here. My kids put it here. But I don't need to kill that one. That one will get rid of good bugs. Check the treetops. I don't want to run into any brown widow webs. Really need to clean out here. Have not had time. I actually don't see all that many. There's one right there. So the folding benches I made, they definitely need a cleaning. Right there, there's another brown widow. Let's see if I can show you that there's an egg sac right next to it too. Oh no, that's not an egg sac. That's a bug. A very well wrapped up bug. Okay. Kind of worried about what's hiding over here by my barbecue. I don't see anything. There's lots of webs, but I don't see actual spiders. I need to wipe it all off. It was not this bad just a week ago, where they all came from. Here's another big girl right here. Ooh, she's eating. And she's nice and shiny. She's probably gonna lay eggs soon, so definitely need to get rid of her. Yep, that's every couple weeks I come out here, try to make sure it's okay for my kids so they can play and not have to worry about the black widows out here. That's not too bad so far for the year, for the start of the year. Better than 30.